What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Wes Fisher here for another exciting unboxing. This bad boy just came. I literally just got it, and I'm very excited. You probably read the title to this unboxing, so you know what it is. But your boy's excited. I don't think I even need a knife because Apple is just so smart on their packaging. Look at that. All right. Oh boy. Oh, Apple is just good with it. Oh. All right. You see it. This is the brand new MacBook Air. I'm just really excited about this, so I'm not even gonna go over the specs or anything because I don't remember. All I know is that Apple put their own actual chip in these computers. This is the first model of Apple making their own chips and putting them in their own computers and no longer using Intel. So supposedly they run faster, they're more efficient, they're a better computer. Supposedly, we'll find out. I will be doing a full in-depth review of this computer as I have the old MacBook Air sitting in my office and now I have the new MacBook Air. So I will do a side-by-side comparison. Obviously with the newer one, you know, batteries are going to be better, things are going to be better, obviously, but we'll do a side-by-side regardless. All right, so let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. And check out my brand new MacBook Air 2021. Whoa. Now, you know me, guys. I'm no expert on unboxing, so this might not be the sexiest video in the world, but I'm gonna get it done. How was that, Asmar? Just some crazy stuff. So there's the box. Nothing too special. I'm not that type of reviewer that cares too much about what's in the box. I care about what I got. So here she is. Now my old MacBook was actually gray, so this is gonna be a cool one. Comes with the new power cord, manual, power brick. That's about it. Enough of that. Now, should I do a first turn on? I think I will. The 2021 MacBook Air. Wow. So I think I got the, you know what? I got all this light. I don't know what color this is. I think it's the gold one. Kind of looks like a rose gold, but I don't remember ordering rose gold. Either way, I don't care too much about colors. You're going to put a nice cover on it anyway. Ooh. Oh, quick start. Let's go. Let's take this off. So this is the first boot up of my MacBook Air 2021. As I can see, just looking at it right now, they have the speakers here. MacBook Air. Let's see. Yeah, keyboard's a little bit different. Oops. So I'm going to go ahead and do the setup here. All right. We are signed in to my Apple account. Wow. So anyway, first impressions, we're logged in. You know, my mouse is moving super slow because I gotta adjust those settings. But first impressions, hey, it's a Mac. You know, you know what you're getting. You literally open it up and you know how to use it if you have Mac from before. Nothing too. I'm not really expecting anything too super amazing, but I am looking forward to just using a more powerful machine. You know, I do a lot of editing on my MacBook Air. I do a lot of editing on my MacBook Air for all my YouTube. I know some people are like, what, you edit on a MacBook Air? Yes, a MacBook Air, not a MacBook Pro, fully loaded, all the specs, blah, 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 blah. No, I do all my editing on a MacBook Air. So I'm excited about these settings. I have a 500 gig hard drive. That's pretty nice. So anyway, that's it. Catch you guys in the next one. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Peace.